most common grip in the table tennis. To do this, hold the racket as if you are shaking hands. It allows strong forehand and backhand shots. The advantage of this grip is balance and versatility, but a disadvantage is it can sometimes be less powerful on extreme angles.
Traditional pinhole grip. Hold the racket as if you're holding a pen. This grip is popular in Asia and very effective for the close to the table play. Its strength is a forehand looping, but it has limited backhand reach.
Modern penhold grip, like the traditional style, but it allows the reverse penhold backhand or RPB. Its advantage is that players can attack on both forehand and backhand with more power, but it requires more skill and practice.
A forehead drive start with the proper descent fit, shoot with part, swing your arm forward with the light of formation, hit and a ball at the twist height and follow the toe is the stroke is the initial for the tracking and controlling relays.
Next is backhand push. Hold the racket firmly, bend your knees slightly, and push the ball with a controlled stroke. This is used to return short ball and to keep the ball low on the opponent's side.
Forehand push. Done with the forehand side. Bend your elbow, push the racket forward and slightly upward to control the sting. It's effective when keeping the game defensive or handling the backspin shot.
Backhand drive. Stand balance, swing your arm forward with your wrist firm, and strike the ball in front of your body. This stroke is useful for rallies and quick counter attacks. In this video, mastering the different grips and strokes is essential in table tennis. These skills give you control, power, and flexibility, helping you adapt to any match situation. With dedication and practice, table tennis becomes not just a game, but a path through sharper skills and stronger mind.
I am McKinley L. Samuras.
Everyone, my name is Jabernillo Soriano.
My name is Julian Adlin Nelia M. Suwan.
I am Will Maliani Salingsagan.
Irish Bacolio Roland.
Is Divina A. Balboa.
I am Margaret May Kahig.